Hi there, today we'll take a look at the Ultragrime Pro Wipes. They are bigger, stronger and wetter than any other wipe on the market. Perfect for someone who likes to work with clean surroundings. They cut through oil, grease, inks, silicone, paint or any other grime while remaining skin safe for your hands. We have 3 types of Ultragrime wipes available. The Ultragrime Pro Multiuse, made to clean up any job thrown at without falling apart. The Ultragrime Pro Power Scrub, which is rough on one side for more stubborn grime. And finally, the Ultragrime Anti-Bacterial cloth wipes that will fight and kill 99.999% of bacteria and viruses, including norovirus, influenza and all coronaviruses. Let's put these wipes to the test.